The ocean got all the way up to the dunes. Wow. Here's the spot where we took the video for the Atlantic City Air Show. And you can compare it to my video, I'm at Atlantic City Air Show. Well, we were blessed because we didn't have any power outage. We still got power going on. I see someone there taking pictures, movies too. There's a couple of people there. Let me just get closer to the ocean. So you have a better idea. I mean, we had from the normal edge, it's like 150 feet, if not more. The ocean got all the way up to the dunes. Peak of the sun. The sun is trying to come out. I guess it's going to take a while. The birds are back. I don't see any seagulls. All right. Thank you, Lord. Keep us safe. Keep us safe. Okay. Bye-bye.